The Ulta Beauty Holiday Radiance Conscious Beauty Kit is available now for $30 with 13 clean beauty products for the holidays. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Unwrap Radiance with their Holiday Beauty Kit. Celebrate this season with the ultimate gift of clean beauty. The Holiday Beauty Kit features luxurious, eco-friendly products designed to nourish and glow. The kit will include Bubble Skincare Daydream Tone plus Texture Serum Vitamin C plus Niacinamide 0.17 ounce, Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel 0.5 ounce, House of Lashes Boudoir Light Full False Lashes 1 pair, Lolove Glossing Detangler 0.85 ounce, Namat Vanilla Musk Roll-On Fragrance Oil 0.17 ounce, Orabella Nightcap Perfume 0.05 ounce, Peace Out Acne Dots 4-dot patches, Pure Beauty Fully Charged Mascara powered by Magnetic Technology Mini 0.14 ounce, St. Tropez Self Tanning Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist 0.47 ounce. I absolutely love that one. I've got it in my vanity right now, as well as this next one. The Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment 0.17 ounce. There's pH Cleanser 3 ounce. Viscal Thickening Conditioner and Shampoo, both of those are 1.7 ounces. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.